Are you thinking about traveling to Macau? Then keep watching this video because I'm going to show you some hidden spots that only the locals know about. I am back once again, and this time I am here on New Year's Eve. Tonight I am DJing at Paraclub. It's gonna be sick. And in this video, I'm gonna show you some local hidden spots with the local, and I'm gonna show you what it's like to party here on New Year's Eve at a countdown party. And the local that's gonna be showing me all these amazing spots is the one and only SESCO! Now, if you don't know, SESCO is the resident DJ, I guess director of Paraclub, and an absolute legend out here in Macau. He's killing it on TikTok. If you know anything about Macau, it's probably because you've been watching his TikTok videos. He's the go-to, right? The GOAT. Are you ready for tonight's countdown party?
I can't wait. Yeah, super happy to have you back in Macau.
Now, tonight's countdown party is a special one. It's not just a countdown party, but it's also a superhero countdown party.
Yeah, what superhero are you coming as?
Well,
are we allowed to say?
Keep watching the video and you'll be able to see what amazing costume I will be wearing and what costume SESCO will be wearing. I've already seen it and it looks absolutely incredible.
Thanks.
So right now we're at the Cultural Village. Can you tell me about this place a little bit?
This place is actually really special to me. For me, it's a hidden gem in Macau. A lot of locals don't actually come here apart from Chinese New Year or when there's like some festive season going on. I've shot a lot of content around here and I've always had people saying to me, where is this? I've never seen it before. This is in Macau? Yeah, it's a beautiful spot. If you're in Macau, come check it out.
Would you say this is a hidden spot? But it's a local favorite, I guess.
I would say it's still a hidden gem. A lot of people don't come here. They don't know about it.
Okay, well, we're gonna check out this statue. What's the statue called?
This is the Amar goddess, the Amar statue.
Okay, let's go.
We're walking up the hill.
We're walking up a hill right now.
It is quite a steep hill. Also, if you come to this area, there's loads of hiking trails that go off in different directions. You can just explore. So we have arrived.
A little short of breath.
It's a little bit of a steep walk. So this right here is the Amar statue, the goddess. The legend says the protector of the fishermen, and she would protect them from the perils at sea. And now she's basically looking over the whole of Macau. She's protecting everyone in Macau.
I mean, the view is insane. I mean, look at this. You can see Cotai Strip where all the casinos are. Yo, man, this place was super sick, but I am getting hungry.
Same here.
Where should we go?
Let's go hit up some local food.
Let's do it. Okay, SESCO, where are we?
We're in Ho Wong, and this is in Taipa.
This place is actually quite cool. It has all these signs. It's got like old school Hong Kong, Macau vibe.
Hong Kong, Macau vibe, but you can also see there, they've got it also in Portuguese.
Oh,
so
Portuguese.
In Portuguese as well. So it's a combination of Portuguese, Chinese, everything just kind of mixed into one. Check this out. This is a pineapple pork chop bun. This is really special. You can only get this in Macau. I've never seen this anywhere else. So it's a bun with pineapple and pork.
And they give you special gloves for this pork bun.
What I want to know is, do you get these gloves in Japan?
Yes.
You do get them as well? Okay,
I mean, it depends on what you're eating.
What you're eating, yeah. So this is quite common
They also
in Macau.
give you a bib as well.
Yeah, I've seen the bibs actually. They're
Rock
pretty
the
cool.
bibs.
Yeah, I
Rock
like
the
the
bibs.
bibs. People take them home and stuff, right? Like a little collector's item. No? Alright, cut that bit then.
Don't take them home.
I took mine home.
Of course you did. Okay, here we go.
It's quite unusual.
It's like the sweet and the savory.
Yeah, it's good. It's tasty.
Bun, it's actually quite good. I like it. So if you're coming out to this restaurant here, definitely order this. And they also gave us this lemon tea, which is quite sweet, to be honest.
Right. This is super sweet. This is the Donglin Cha, and which just basically means iced lemon tea. This is also another like Macau special. Instant noodles with fried chicken. It looks simple, but it's gonna taste delicious.
Good. This is what we call in England comfort food.
Comfort food.
It's great for a hangover.
I can see that.
Because tomorrow we might have a hangover after the big night, right?
That's right, that's right.
Vivid, do you like to work out before your sets?
I do like to get a pump before the show.
Okay, cool. Well, I'm going to take you to a local gym. Let's check it out.
Okay.
And this is it, the local gym. Oh, yeah, it's a big stretch. Feel that stretch. It's a really good exercise for your arms. It just gets them going.
Now this is local right here.
Not bad.
As they say before the show, break a leg. All right, let's go. Running man, running man. Faster, faster, faster.
All right, let's get a drink. I'm thirsty.
We're in the Raffles lobby lounge, okay? This is a really kind of amazing building. It's just quite out there, right? It looks pretty 5-star.
I do gotta say, I don't think we dressed appropriately.
Maybe not, but this is Macau. And Macau, you can just kind of dress down. You still feel accepted.
So we got these drinks, and actually, they gave us these drinks for free because the manager or whoever's running it here recognized SESCO. He didn't know who he was.
Yeah.
But he was like, have some drinks. And this place is nice. Look at these drinks and the olives and everything.
Yeah, it's kind of crazy, right? You just walk into a bar, get some cocktails for free.
I mean, that just says how popular you are here.
I don't think so. Anyway, cheers.
Cheers. Cheers to an amazing countdown. Oh, it's nice.
The best drinks are the free drinks.
Honestly, this tastes just like the SESCO shot. They got the idea from, they came and had a SESCO shot.
I've had the SESCO shot in Paraclub.
You need to watch my last vlog about Macau's nightlife, and we had the shot. We had the shot in the
try
video.
one tonight.
We might.
Vivid, what do you think of the art installation?
Yo, the outdoor one was sick.
I want to say they're both free.
Yeah.
Most places you go to around the world, the most cities you go to, you see an art installation, you got to pay for these things. But in Macau, it's free.
Yeah, very cool. I mean, both are fantastic.
Now we're going to eat some special hot pot. You can only get this in Macau. It's
Okay.
a clam, garlic, Macau delicacy.
So this is going to be great for before my show.
100%. We're in the restaurant. This is Yin Dao Zhou, and I've never seen this hot pot anywhere else in the rest of Asia. This is clam and garlic hot pot. Now what you do is you wait for it to boil. You eat the clams first. Then once you've eaten all the clams, then you start putting the meat and the vegetables in. There's a lot of garlic here.
Yeah.
But it doesn't seem to taste that garlicky. Anyway, there's one more place you need to check out before we go to the club.
Okay.
This area, they just had a street art festival last month called Out Loud, and yeah, it's really unique. Vivid, what do you think of the street art?
It's sick, man. I love it.
Check this out. We've got one piece which is really, really amazing. It's going to blow your mind.
Which way?
This way? No, it's it's this way. You know what, Vivid?
What's that?
It's superhero time.
I think it is. Man, thank you so much for showing me all these hidden Macau spots that I would have never have seen if I just, checked out some YouTube videos and whatnot. So thank you so much for that.
Oh, you're welcome.
And I think you're right. It is time to put on those superhero costumes and celebrate the end of 2024 and the beginning of 2025. You ready?
Let's go.
Let's go.
Lose control and stop the world.
That was an incredible countdown party. It almost felt like a Comic-Con event. Everyone wearing really cool superhero costumes, and what an interesting way to bring in the new year. Shout out to SESCO for showing me all the really cool local spots that I definitely would not have been able to find on my own. Be sure to follow him on TikTok, Instagram, and his YouTube channel. If you guys got any questions about Macau's nightlife or whatnot, be sure to put it down in the comments. I'm about to fly back to Tokyo. Hope to see you guys soon. V out.